another beautiful day today and wala masyadong ganap dito sa bahay. Merong pupunta dito para ayusin yung safety gate dun sa may hagdanan para hindi na nakakapanik baba si Zandre. Although hindi naman niya ginagawa yun, pero parang protection lang. Para kung sakaling alam mo yun, kapag medyo masyado na talaga siyang malikot or super active na talaga siya, at least merong harang doon. I am craving for munggo. Meron akong chicharon dito. And meron din akong biniling baboy nung last time na nagpunta ako sa West Zone. So, iduluto ko yun. And tapos, ano pa ba? Yung pala, ilang days na lang yung natitira. Inaantay pa rin namin yung passport ni Ethel kasi isasama namin siya sa Greece. Pero hanggang ngayon wala pa. So, in less than a week kasi yata yung flight namin. Kaya dapat makuha na namin yung passport niya. Chinek ko naman sa system ng Greek embassy. Nasa kanila na daw yung passport pero wala pa ring update kung kailan nila isi-send or kung approve ba or kung reject ba. Alam mo naman kapag nag-a-apply ka ng Schengen visa, ganun talaga, di ba? Hindi nila pinapaalam sa iyo kung ano yung status ng visa mo. Iso-surprise ka na lang kapag na-receive mo na yung passport mo. Anyways, magluluto muna ako kasi tanghali na dito. Yesterday din pala, pumunta si Vas sa Little Greece. Yun yung isa sa Greek restaurant na favorite naming puntahan dito sa Dubai. And he got me my favorite spread. So, ito siya. Pistachio spread. Masarap to. So, kapag nag-crave ako ng sweets and I wanna eat like Nutella, ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi, parang ano yata to? Ewan ko, mas healthy ba to? Hindi ko alam. Pero masarap talaga siya. Bala kong mag-uwi na ito sa Pinas, ipapatigim ko kay mama. I forgot, may diabetes pala si mama, so she can't have this. Pero, yun, masarap siya. So, kung nasa Dubai kayo and gusto nyo itry to, punta lang kayo sa Little Greece, sa may Albarcia Mall. I'm not sure magkano to, pero mura lang siya, hindi siya mahal. Masarap siya, promise. I highly recommend this pistachio spread. Nandito na yung magi-install ng safety gates. Kadarating lang nila. Kinukuha lang nila yung mga gamit nila para gamitin kapag in-install na nila yung gates.
So that one we have to fix to the wall over there. So over here it will becomes like a cross over there, like this. And then it will be open this way like this.
Okay, can't be flat, huh?
Yeah.
Because of this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, but can we put this back?
Yeah, this one we can
It
put
won't be
it
an
back.
issue,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Then you can see also over there it will be like a,
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah.
That's fine.
Okay.
Ay, katatapos ko lang kumain, ang dami ko na namang nakain. Basta pag munggo talaga yung ulam, napaparami yung kain ko. Nakadalawang balik ako ng rice. So, cheating day kapag munggo ang ulam namin. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng maraming chicharon. So, yummy. Anyway guys, tapos na yung safety gates, na-install na siya. Papakita ko sa inyo kung yung itsura. Ito siya. Pinapatayo pa namin kasi naglagay sila ng parang glue sa baba. So, yun yung itsura niya. Ganyan. safe na, hindi na makakapagbaba si Zandre na mag-isa. Pero meron rin sa taas. Pakita ko yung sa taas. Ito naman yung sa taas. Ito itsura niya. Oo, di ba? Safe na si Zandre. Safe na ang beta na yan. Dali lang din siyang buksan. Ano mo lang. Yan. Diba? Tapos, kapag sinara mo siya, ganyan lang. You have a gate now! What? You don't want gate? You don't want the gate? Kailangan di makita ni Zandre paano magbukas nito eh. There you go. There you go. You're happy now? Yeah? You want mommy? Okay, my love. Let's go down. Nagpapakarga si Zandre. Naantok na din. Kasi hindi siya natulog ng morning. Say hi! Can you say hello to everyone? Can you say hello? Say hello to the camera. Hello guys! Oh, can you kiss mommy? Can you kiss mommy? No, kiss mommy. Kiss! Kiss mommy! Kiss mommy! Oy! No? May toyo na si Zandre. Okay, okay. Here's your Milky. There. Milky. Here. Here, Rob. Come. Get your Milky na. Okay, my love. Put the bowl there. Okay, take your Milky. Let's go. Not there. Here. Go there. We'll take your milk na. Go. Kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng unboxing videos. Gumawa ko ng unboxing videos para dun sa camera, sa vlogging camera na nabili ko. I think I will upload it before this video or maybe after this video. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll upload it at the same time. Pero yeah, nagawa ko na ang video ko. So, super happy ako kasi alam niyo ba, 2 days ko nang nakuha yung camera na to pero hindi ko pa talaga siya ginagalaw kasi I'm waiting for the right time na gumawa ng unboxing videos. Sabi ni Hubby, parang mas okay doon na i-combine ko na lang yung pagbubukas ng yung unboxing videos ng camera and sa vlog, pero para sa akin mas prefer ko na gumawa ng separate videos. So yeah, panoorin nyo ang aking unboxing. Joke. So yeah, so kakatapos ko lang mag-film and narinig ko rin nagising na si Zandre. So saktong-sakto na pagkatapos ko mag-film ng video, narinig ko na yung iyak niya. Kaya kailangan ko na siyang punahan bago pa siya maghurumentado. Bago pa siya magwala dun. Naririnig kong kumakanta si Ethel. Tatry kong i-video siya ng palago. Hindi niya alam na mag-vlog ako. Try ko lang, guys. Hindi ko naabutan. Hindi na siya kumanta. Tumigil na sa kanta. Babe, I already unboxed it. And
Why are you taking? Are you taking me to the bus now?
Yeah.
You
You want to see my camera? It's there.
already put it in the cupboard? Why? So it doesn't get cold? This one? This one?
Yeah.
It's tiny, right?
It's cute,
No,
right?
no.
No,
Straight,
that's
straight,
not a toy.
Straight for the camera. This time.
No, that's
That's
for mommy.
So much curiosity. Did you use the SD card?
Yeah, I already formatted the 64 GB from my XT3 and then I put it there.
Okay. And what about battery?
I'm charging it because it's running out of battery. By the way, I checked the Canon. There's only one store, which is in Dubai Mall. I checked the battery. They
And?
have it.
What's the price?
349.
Oh my god! We'll buy. We'll
By the way,
from-
guys, come here, babe. Have you noticed my husband's hair?
That's not good. What are you
Why?
doing? Hey, hey!
Why?
Sorry, I have to go.
Bagong kulay siya. Nagpagupit siya and then he dyed his hair. Alam niyo naman, kapag, tawag dito, nire-refresh niya yung kulay ng buhok niya. Ako rin pala, guys, bala ko balayage or like baby, can I send a message? Bala ko balayage or like baby highlights kasi parang naboboard na ako sa kulay ng buhok ko. Pero hindi pa sure kasi nakaka-damage kasi yun eh. Last time na nagpa-ombre ako, na-damage yung buhok ko. As in, yung buong baba ng buhok ko, as in sunog na sunog kasi binleach. So, siguro this time I will just do some highlights para alam niyo yan, para mabago naman yung look. Shoutout nga pala sa mga fans ni Ethel dyan.
What did you say about it?
I would like to I'm shouting out to all Ethel's fans out there, you know.
Hey!
It's inside there.
Hold on, I need to try to open it.
Yeah. Great. Who needs a seat
Yeah.
here, right? If you have this seat.
Woohoo! That's what it
Okay.
is.
What's that?
It's a new hard drive for my PC. Really fast one because it's SSD.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Enjoy.
Nice. Thank you.
Are you eating? What are you eating, Sandre? Bougie Kakos? Bougie Kako, what are you eating? You want to drink your water? Huh? You want to drink your water? Nasa labas yung mag-ama ko. Tingnan lang natin kung anong ginagawa nila. Hey!
Picasso!
Where are you going? You're chasing daddy? Chasing daddy? Careful. Landry! No, no, not there. Don't go there. Oh, go chase daddy. Hey. Bravo! Ayan, naghahabol-habulan lang sila. Hey! Okay yung panahon ngayon, hindi siya ano. So, we need to go out kasi we need to buy milk for Sandre. Wala kasi ako nakitang Similac sa West Zone. So, kailangan ko pumunta siguro na... So, hey!
Go on,
Hey.
go on, go on.
So yeah, so we need to get a milk. Baka sa Carrefour Albarcia. I'm not sure. I will end this vlog na guys and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! Let him run, let him run.